I've worked in cybersecurity for quite some time now, and I have made some huge mistakes in my early years. And today I'm going to share them with you so you don't have to repeat them. Hi everyone, my name is Meera Tamboli. I'm a cybersecurity professional working in the UK, and I've mentored thousands of students break into cybersecurity careers. And today I'm going to share you the top mistakes which I made as a fresher in cybersecurity so that you can hear them and not repeat those same mistakes. If you're just starting out, watching this will really save you months and maybe even years. So let's begin. Mistake number 1. Trying to take shortcuts and lying to myself about what I didn't understand. So this is, I think, the biggest mistake I have made starting out. I was trying to chase shortcuts, and that's what we all do, right? We want to finish the certification, we want to finish a course, we want to go to the next level, we want to secure a job. And that's exactly what I did too. I was continuously skipping things, taking shortcuts, and thinking, you know what, even if I don't understand it, it's okay, I will learn about it later. And also, while learning something, I didn't really get it sometimes, and I kind of lied to myself that no, it's okay, I think I understood. But deep down in your gut, you know that you didn't understand. I think a lot of you watching this video right now kind of relate to the same thing, that you are learning a new concept and you actually don't get it, but you're lying to yourself that yeah, I understood it, it's fine. But you know that you're not the best at it and you could actually learn and improvise on it. So please don't take shortcuts. Learning the foundations is so important. I always save the things to learn later. I thought I'll learn it before the interview, I'll learn it later on in my career. But the later never comes. And what I've learned the hard way is that foundations always matter. I skipped the basic stuff and I started memorizing things instead of actually understanding the logic behind them. And here's the truth which no one tells. If your cybersecurity basics are weak, then everything later becomes much more harder. Later on, when I actually sat down and I was honest with myself about what I didn't know, that's when I started making real progress, learning on the fundamentals, and that's what actually helped me to eventually get my first break in cybersecurity. Mistake number 2, being really random with my learning and not having any clear strategy and path. Most of you all who watch the other videos that I make on my channel, you would have seen that I constantly advise everybody to learn the basics of operating system, computer networks, and security fundamentals, right? I repeat this again and again because that is very important. You can't learn things very randomly. I mean, you can, but it's not going to be the most ideal path for you. And that's exactly what happened with me. When I was starting out, I didn't really know how to learn or what to learn. And I feel like back then, there were not as many creators and roadmaps available that they are as of today, right? So I really got random. I downloaded Kali Linux, I started doing brute forcing, I started doing CTF competitions, and suddenly one day I'm like, let's write a cybersecurity blog. And then I was nowhere, I'm like, but I don't know basics of IP addresses, MAC addresses, I don't know basics of protocols. So then I go back and I learn that, and then I realize I don't know attacks, and I'm just all over the place, right? So I am gaining knowledge, I am learning it. It's not a waste, right? Anything you learned, any skill, is not a waste, but it gets very overwhelming as a fresher because you're so random and there's no direct path. So I feel like this is one of the biggest mistakes I made, jumping into random things without having a clear plan. So make sure that you have a proper strategy. You make a roadmap for yourself. There are thousands of roadmaps out there. If you want, you can follow one of them or even create your own based on your current scenario. And just make that plan and start following it. Stick to it. Don't save 100 different courses on the bookmarks tab and think that you will do it later and start 10 courses together and then stop doing them and never actually complete one. Don't do that, because you'll only keep getting lost, because that's a never-ending spiral. And always try to finish one thing before trying to jump to the next one. It's very easy to jump through things and take shortcuts like I discussed in the first mistake, but trying not to do that as a fresher. Mistake number 3, applying to so many jobs but really fast and thinking that it was actually smart. So when I was starting out and I made my CV and I started applying to lots of places, I would always try to apply to many places. So if I applied to 10 places or 15 places, I would sleep more peacefully at night thinking, oh wow, I applied to 20 companies today. But eventually, after bulk applying everywhere, I realized that this is not going to work out. It is so important to tailor your CV based on the job description. You would have heard this in multiple places. And I know most of us hear it and know it, but when it actually comes to applying to jobs, we get lazy, right? So raise your hands up if you see a LinkedIn job and you have a CV saved in it and there's an easy apply button and you click on it and just submit your CV and end it and think, okay, at least I applied for the job. Right? I think we are all guilty of it. We do that because no matter how much we know that we need to tailor our CV, sometimes we just get very lazy about it. We think that, okay, I'll just apply for it. So this is one of the things I would really suggest you to not do as a beginner. You have to take efforts rather than the quantity of the applications, focus on the quality of them. There is no point of applying to 20 jobs half-heartedly without, tailoring your CV. Instead of that, if you apply to just 5 jobs, it's much more fruitful. So just focus on the quality of the applications, tailor your CV for each and every job role, and no matter how keen you get on just clicking the easy apply button or taking shortcuts, don't do that. Open your laptop, take time, spend time to change your CV, and then applying a proper manner. Then coming to mistake number 4, doing online courses and certifications only to actually get the certificate. I think a lot of you guys are also guilty of this. When we are in college doing our bachelor's, that time there's so much focus on like getting certificates, and we feel like if we have a certificate, then it's gonna be so good because it will help us with the job and we could show the recruiter. So I know that this is what we think, but the fact is nobody is really asking you to come with a bundle of your certificates and show it to us. No company is doing that. Right? And a lot of freshers get so focused on the certificate part that they literally go and join courses and workshops and stuff just because they are given this greed that you will get a certificate. Like, what are you going to do with that certificate, right? It's very hard to understand at that point because I have made this mistake too, right? That's what I'm trying to admit, all the mistakes I've made. And I am guilty of this too. I used to just sign up for a workshop or a course just because I'm going to get a certificate and then I can showcase it and put it on my CV and my LinkedIn. But I found it the hard way that the reality check is recruiters don't care if you have thousands of certifications, if you don't know anything in them. We don't want to do online courses just because we are going to get a certificate to show someone. We want to do it to actually understand what is in there. Just imagine there are 2 candidates. One candidate has 10 certifications. The other has almost none or like 1 or 2. Okay. And if they're selected, if both of them are selected for the interviewer starts asking basic questions. If the guy with the 10 certs can't answer basic questions, why is this person going to be even any value, right? So try and understand that recruiters don't care about the numbers or the certifications or anything like that. They actually care about how you've understood the concepts. And yes, I'm not trying to say that certifications don't matter and only skills do. Certifications do matter. Of course, most of the time, this is the shortlisting criteria. If you have a certification, you move faster and your CV gets selected much faster. That is definitely true. But what I'm trying to say is, don't try to collect multiple certifications from different sites thinking that now it's going to help you and you have a bundle of certifications. Don't make that mistake. Try and focus on 1 or 2 proper industry level certifications. And if you can't do industry level certifications because they are a little too much in terms of budget or the effort needed, then you can go for some reputed courses. Try to do them, but don't try to show bulk or quantity because that's not going to take you anywhere. Mistake number 5, and the last and the biggest mistake I've made, not having a proper mentor or guidance, right? I always repeat this in my videos, in the intro of my video, that when I was starting out, I didn't have any mentors in cybersecurity, and that's absolutely true. And this is the mistake which make every other mistake much worse, because if I had a mentor, all these things probably wouldn't happen, or I would have someone to guide me through it. I would really suggest everybody watching this that try and find a mentor. It doesn't have to be someone you get on a call with. It doesn't have to be someone you talk to every day. It's none of that. It can be anyone, somebody whose path you admire, someone you can go to when you are in difficulty or you can trust. That is what matters. And I didn't have that starting out, and I don't know why, but maybe there just wasn't that kind of a culture where you have a mentor and you talk to them. I just didn't know about it. I wasn't aware and I felt quite lost, and I should have asked for help, right? I should have tried to find out the people around me doing cybersecurity, try to find out some seniors or anybody, for that matter. But I didn't do that, and that made things much more difficult. It's so important to have a mentor, not just when you're beginning your career, but in every stage of your life in your career, it's important to have a mentor. So make sure you don't make this mistake. You should understand that you don't have to do this alone. You can join study groups, communities, start talking to people in the industry, connecting with them. Even one good mentor can cut your learning curve in half. So these were the biggest mistakes I've made in my cybersecurity career when I was starting out. Please comment down and let me know if you guys are also making any of these mistakes or you have caught yourself doing any of these. And I really request that when you catch yourself making these mistakes, try to repair them, try to move away from them, and don't continue doing them. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. If you start implementing these things and don't make these mistakes, try to avoid them, then your future self will really thank you. It doesn't mean that you don't have to make mistakes in your way. Everybody's journey is different, and the mistakes are the things that really teach you. If I didn't make those mistakes, I wouldn't be here sharing these mistakes and helping you guys today. So it's fine to make mistakes. There's a learning curve with everything, but I'm just sharing my experience and my perspective so that you are at least saved from making these kind of mistakes. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and see you next time.